Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies biscuits at home. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. We'll walk through each step, from mixing the dough to baking and cooling. This easy method ensures you'll have warm, delicious cookies ready to enjoy in no time. It's a simple process perfect for any home baker. To begin, you'll need common pantry items. Grab 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of softened butter, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda ready. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and both sugars until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Drop rounded spoonfuls onto ungreased baking sheets. It's time to bake. Place your baking sheets into the preheated oven. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. Enjoy your warm, homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.